morning, everyone! Today we're off to Suzuki. Hopefully I'm saying this right. Suzuki Fish Market. It's about 10, so we're actually waking up really late today. It's gonna be a fun day, a lot of fresh sushi. So as soon as you walk through this warehouse area, it smells absolutely like fish. So we got some sushi, or sashimi at least. Fish market's so cheap, everything is like $1 to $5, and then at most, I think if you want to get like a giant take-home box, it's like 30, which is pretty dirt cheap. $5 for 5 giant pieces of sashimi, right directly from the fish market, which is pretty good pricing. So what I've definitely noticed here, especially when you're coming to this area, if you're not looking out behind you, you may or not get trampled by one of these rolly carts, but people are driving. Mostly because it looks like they're on a fixed schedule and they have no time to waste. Pretty. Yoyogi Park. Rose garden. Each other. Kids menu. Looks so cute. Steak, which is literally just hamburger patty.